How to change the model location in Ollama. So hey guys, welcome to yet another quick, simple and easy to understand AI tutorial. And in this particular tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can change the storage where the models are stored for your Ollama. So if you're using Ollama with your local models out there and you wish to change the location of the models from where Ollama gets them, then let me show you how you can actually do it in your Ollama desktop application. So for that, first launch your Ollama desktop application, and once the application launches, click onto this settings option. Now within the settings, you will see the model location. This is the location where models are stored. If the location is correct, it is all right, but in case you wish to change it, click onto this browse button, and using this particular directory, you can choose any other location if you want. So for example, let's say I will select it to dev and click on OK. And now you can see that the model location has been successfully changed. So that's how easily you can change it. Thanks for watching the video and have a nice day.